Every ride has a heartbeat. This is a motorcycle ride to Tulungla with the Indian Army. My ride starts from Guwahati, the gateway to northeast, goes into the plains of Assam and to the high passes of Arunachal. My journey is not just a ride, it's a ride through history. I'm an hour early. I want to have something to eat. Using a priority pass. Eat something here.
Cheese on.
With green chilies.
Okay.
I'm super excited. I'm on the flight from Bangalore to Guwahati. I'm doing this ride to Arunachal. It's my first time to Tawang. The ride is called the Tulungla ride with the army and many people, many riders. I can't anticipate what it's going to be like meeting everybody. I really want to see this place called Margo, Tawang, Tulungla. As I reach Guwahati, I get picked up and then I've been taken to a place where my bike is parked and waiting for me. I'm going to be riding the Himalayan 450 for the first time. It's the mountains again that excite me so much. I landed in Guwahati with one plan: pick up my motorcycle and let the road decide the rest. So I'm going towards my bike. This is mine? Yay! I would like the white one, yes! See, this is my bike. I'm going to be riding this. This is my number. Yeah. This is my ride for Tulungla. This is the highway, Guwahati, Missamari. And that's my bike. Tea break. Evenings fall early in the east. By the time we started again, the light was already slipping away. Traffic on the other side, it's a 2-lane, so you have to be really vigilant. So we're on the highway, waiting for our other friends to reach. We made it to Missamari in time for the icebreaker. Medicals done, documents checked, groups assigned to us, fuel tanks were filled for the next leg, and in the background, an armored vehicle reminded us of the terrain ahead.
So for the audience, the clipping is playing right on the board. Thank you, ma'am.
Please the clip again for the audience.
I think everybody was more concentrated on the stage. Here's the clip.
Photographer.
Ma'am, this is at what altitude you told? 17,000.
Oh wow! Please give a huge round of applause for Tiana.
Yeah. Ooh. Oily joy. कम है मेरा भी 2 है बस. Oh, this really shakes, yeah. Really shakes, huh? But still, na. I wanted to see if this works. Wow. So on my bike, I tried to use this new contraption. I'm very scared of the puppetry falling, but I've kind of restored it in some.
मैं गिरने वाला हूँ. रुक जाओ, मैं गिरने वाला हूँ because my feet are not placed.
Leaving Missamari. It had been raining since dawn, and I left my Missamari room under grey skies. The drizzle was sharp on my face and eyes. It rained a lot. All wet. Whoa. With the flag off at Missamari, the planning ended. From that point on, every kilometer would be earned. As we rode beyond Balukpong, the scenery shifted fast. The first waterfall marked the point where the journey turned into truly Himalayan. With wet roads behind us, beyond that point, the ride changed character, and Sessa became our first true mountain. From Sessa, the climb began, through colder air and tighter roads, straight into Nichipu Tunnel. Nechipula Pass is notorious for dense fog, and this tunnel is called the Fog Killer Tunnel, and it's like a safe doorway out of the fog. Past Nichipu Tunnel, the road descended into Dirang, home to NIMAS, where mountains train men, and endurance is a way of life. So this is NIMAS Mountaineering Institute, and when we had to come to this place, we were actually, there was a vertical climb, absolute off-roading, about 3.5 kilometers. Can you beat it? Oh wow, I was good at it. I just came up and I have to go down now. I don't know how we are going to go down, but it's really steep, man. We're having chai and some chicken sandwiches. And look at these hills. I mean, it's very strange. These hills are like very different to what I have generally done on the other side of North India. Very long curves and very quick curves, actually, not very deep types. And not too high, and clouds are really low sometimes, and it's a beautiful sight. So he was the one who actually had the beer stock.
You're recording this.
Leaving NIMAS behind, the road dropped deeper into the mountains, from training grounds to frontline valleys. Tenga awaited us below. There weren't roads yet, just pebbles, stones and sand, testing balance with every meter. From NIMAS to Tenga Valley, these roads carry stories of training, service and sacrifice. The sappers stand watch, quiet and strong. A view of the sapper cottage we got a chance to stay in. Thank you for telling me, Tenga. हम टेंगा वैली जा रहे हैं. हाँ. अरे मेरे चैनल में कुछ नहीं है, थोड़ा थोड़ा है, ज़्यादा नहीं. Riding through Tenga Valley, we pass the Sappers and Nag Mandir in quiet reflection before standing at the ball of fire, where courage is forever remembered. To a bridge very close to this place. The village is called Jamiri. Yeah. So what he's got written behind his back is awesome.
Only 10% at one time.
I'm enough for one.
If there are more than 10 people, this river also goes to Tejpur only.
My God! This bridge moves! Oh my God! This is really wobbly, man. Whoa! Hanging bridge, huh?
Yes. And the life is hanging in the middle of nowhere.
That's called the Jamari, or of the Jamari tribe.
Okay.
There are two major tribes out here called the Bugun and the Jamari.
Look at this place here.
We are presently at the Jamari.
Yeah.
A little ahead is a place called Bugul. This entire green which you see is the eagle's nest out here. Goes right from here and goes up to nothing less than 100 kilometers spread inside. This is one of the biggest bird sanctuaries in the world. It's a variety of small bird called Leo Kichna. There are only 4 varieties in the world, and one variety called the Bugun Leo Kichna, after the Bugun tribe, stays in this institute.
Sir, you're with Army or you're with National Geographic?
Yeah.
If you are facing Arunachal and then is Tibet on top, this is the way we are lying. Assam is south. Okay. Arunachal has got 3 parts. In the center is a glacier. Towards that side is called the East Arunachal. That is East Kameng district. And towards this side is the West Arunachal or West Kameng. We are in West Kameng. All 3 mountains on that side you will get all glacier cover. Beyond this mountain is glacier cover. One route is one on which we are going. This is the easternmost route. Then is one more route which the Dalai Lama took, which is not used anymore.
Yeah.
It's only for a few bikers around who use that. And there is one more route towards that side which goes to Orang, which is a little longer route for us, is not taken.
You're really very clear about the mapping of this place, yeah?
I'm supposed to do this, is my job.
Yeah.
शहीदों की चिताओं पर लगेंगे हर वर्ष मेले, वतन पर मर मिटने वालों का बाकी जही निशान होगा, बाकी जही निशान होगा.
So this is our op shelter, and we are 4 women riders right here. And one is commanding a station, and there's another. There are 2 doctors here, I think. Yeah. And it was an amazing night. We had a wild roll-up time. और एक मौत भी मेरे बगल में सो रहा है. Good.
So they were very sad. जिन्होंने मार दिया.
You had a partner.
Yeah, doctor say hello.
That
Yeah.
is what kept you warm.
Hi, doctor.
Hello.
That is what kept you warm.
These guys were at a pace last night. The two of them. Like,
Good morning.
good morning. And the other one is gone inside now. See her bag. This is something you got to see. She's as messed up as me. Organized person. See the way the packets are made and everything.
हाँ, सब अंदर से
She's ने पैकेट बना के सब कुछ डाला हुआ था इसके अंदर. Yeah, which is good. And I like your hair, man. Show your hair. You just have to see it here. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Oh my God, lovely. That's awesome blue. Okay. That's a real biker blue. I want to show the outside part of this. It's freezing cold. It's freezing cold here. Oh. Shit, we are in a... And this is the window. See the window.
अरे भाई तो सुबह ही होगी. मैं 4. To be very specific.
Yeah, we have 4 women.
From NKD, every kilometer pulled us higher. Mist, wind, and rising altitudes. It was breathtaking, and we pulled over for some pictures. The climb demanded respect. Higher altitude, harsher cold, kept rising, the air thinning.
Going into my outfit. It's cooling it down. Oh, it's going right down my spine. Phew. Dead.
through the first tunnel and straight into the second, Sela doesn't pause. Light to darkness, darkness to light, the two Sela tunnels carry us through the mountains.
That's the journey we have finished.
Till now?
Yeah,
so
from Guwahati to
from
Missamari.
Missamari we got drunk the very first day only,
Yeah.
which was not supposed to be done. And we started with a hangover the next day.
Yeah, we
which was
did.
totally against the SOPs. So
And there was some fancy beers we had.
yeah, fancy
Local
beers,
beers,
yeah. Just to try each brand, we got drunk on that only. So early morning, then we hardly slept. Early morning we started. We crossed few places, small places, Rangapara.
Yeah.
Then we reached Ballipara.
Yeah.
From Ballipara, we took a left turn to Bhalukpong.
Yeah.
From Bhalukpong, we continued and we reached Sessa. Sessa, we had that photography session. There were a lot of media already waiting for me there. So I hate paparazzis otherwise. But then, no, I can't avoid it. Being celebrity is not easy.
Yeah.
So once we reached there, then we had lovely breakfast there. Pudi aloo. So
Pudi aloo, that was too much.
I have an epic photograph of that as well. So pudi
And I had to put my pocket 3 inside because it started to, the clouds were so low, it felt as if it was going to drizzle.
Yeah.
And it didn't. It was just the clouds.
Yes, even I put on my rain cap.
And we were
in any case, I got drenched because of sweat only, not because of rain.
We were fooled that it was going to rain because of the clouds. Yeah.
By the time I took my rain cap off, I was totally drenched. So everybody asked, it was not raining. I said, it was sweat. So we got fooled there.
Yeah.
And Pudi Aloo was something like a 5-star buffet for us because we were so hungry. So from that Pudi Aloo,
then we had a superb journey. I have some really great clippings of being in the cloud and riding.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Very beautiful.
So visibility was around 50
Tenga Valley.
something. Yeah.
We saw the Tenga Valley
and the Sela Tunnel. Amazing it was.
Yeah.
After that we had that Sapper lunch break. Dosa, idli, sambar again. And we hopped like we are hungry for years. And followed
But then we were all fueled out. We were fagged out by the end of the evening.
Yes.
And then we had a little bonfire.
Yes. And we all were looking forward for drinks with Juicy said no more drinks. No, you guys don't deserve it. So here we are.
Thanks. Give me a name.
Vijay.
Vijay.
Nice meeting you, and we will keep catching up.
Yeah.